Hey guys, welcome back to Inchworm Gardens. Today I'm going to introduce you to the layout of the garden itself and show you the 6 basic growing spaces that we have here. Let's take a look. Alright, so the first 2 growing spaces are these 2 upper raised beds. They are 10 feet long by 3 feet wide. Here's the first one. Connected to the second one, I have string here marking it off by 1-foot sections. This cardboard is for carrots. I'll get into in future videos what's growing where and all of that, but just wanted to show you the growing spaces first. So that's the first one, first 2 rather. The next 2 are these lower raised beds. These are 6 feet long, 4 feet wide, also marked off in 1-foot sections. This is using crepe myrtle branches, so they kind of got twisted. They're not perfect squares, but they work. So there's the next 2. And then we have this lower bed space. So this is a in-ground garden. So this little corner, it's about 5 feet by 5 feet. And then this back area, about 8 feet by 8 feet. So it's a good little growing area. It can be mostly flowers and blueberry bushes and stuff. Anyway, like I said, I'll get into where everything's going in future videos. So the next and last growing space that we have is this little corner here, which is these 3 little planters. I will tell you what's going here because I've built this area specifically for it. This is where our fig tree is going to go. We have a Celeste fig tree going right there. I have my hops plant growing there, and I'll put some morning glories there. Alright, I guess I can't help but tell you where everything's going because it's very exciting. I have these trellises for the tomatoes. I use these U posts. These are just metal posts that I hammered into the ground, connected these crepe myrtle branches that I've zip tied on here. These are going to be our tomato trellises. So that's very cool. And then pretty much every square foot has something planned. Got a little netting there. It's a little netting trellis. Be beans and flowers and stuff there. And then show you this. All right, I'm just getting into it. We'll just go for it. This is gonna be our muscadine vine. It's gonna grow up there. I have these this 9-gauge wire trellis here. It's gonna grow on either direction, all the way down to here. We're gonna have our blackberries in this corner. We have our raspberries in that corner. Our blueberry bushes here. A bunch of awesome flowers and stuff there. And mostly our leafy greens, carrots, some other stuff, a lot of other stuff in these upper beds here. And then we have this little fire pit place as well, a little rock pit area for fires. So there you go. There's the full garden, all of our growing spaces. Quick highlight of what's growing where. And of course we'll be doing more videos talking more about the actual plants in future videos. Alright, thanks so much for watching this, guys. See you next time.